welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am doing a vlog of our road trip. I packed my stuff and we're gonna get on down to the road trip style. We're just about to leave, but I got some lottery tickets and I'm gonna, or not lottery, some scratchers, and I'm gonna scratch them off. Oh yeah, I doubled to $1, won $2. Hey guys. Hi. Now we're going to Denny's.
On Monday.
Now we're in Denny's.
Look at these construction.
Look at Nina. I got chicken strips and mozzarella sticks and some broccoli. Ayo, here's some awkward dancing for you. Now we're leaving Denny's and we are going to Pismo Beach because we decided to split up our drive from LA to San Francisco in half. Okay, stop the awkward dancing. Cue the montage. Always try to give, don't ever take it. Hello. So we just arrived in Aloha Inn in Pismo Beach, and we are taking a little stop because we are going to take a stop, and tomorrow we're gonna go to the Mavericks. Look at all these stars. Good morning. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, that's my fun. Thanks. We're in our motel and we're about to skedaddle to go to the Mavericks. Hey, so now we are going to get some breakfast. Party break. Pub's getting some Starbs.
Look, it's super cheap. $3.15.
$3.15 for some G-ass. Oh, that didn't sound nice. What's up? Just went to the gas station for a little pit stop and we got some snacky the nacky.
Everybody's good?
Yeah. We got some Chex Mix, a giant can of Coke for Mama. Kids some like soy ball and yellow. Tanner got Hey guys, we are in Half Moon Bay and we are gonna go get some lunch before we go check out the Mavericks.
Hello, we're going to a tapas place now.
Yeah.
Because we're really hungry.
It smells like fish, like lots of fish. And you all know that I don't like fish, but it's okay. I like to look at them, but like from a distance. I don't like to eat them. Okay, peace. So I just had a plate of tacos. I didn't get to film it because I forget everything. But
I had some clams.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of?
Welcome to America's brand new game where you guess how many stairs are in a staircase.
27.
Okay, how many stairs? 22.
18.
90.
We heard that the waves are not too righteous today.
Righteous!
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life has its music. Life has its song. Life has its music. Life has its song. Life has its music. Life has its song.
It's so nice here in the Mavericks. Okay, hey guys, we just arrived in our hotel room and I'm gonna do a quick little room tour, okay? So you walk in our room and you see that amazing view over there. Over here is the bathroom. And then here's a little mirror. Ooh! TV. There's Sander. Here's Nina. Here's our beds. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. Got a window here. No. And then I just gotta say, like, this view, like, come on, look at that. So I just want to show you some of the cool little Polaroids that I took. I took 5 pictures, 4 of them in the Mavericks and 1 of them in the car ride to San Francisco. So here's the car ride. Oh. So I'm going to change in 3, 2. Ooh! This is my new Mavericks t-shirt. I think it's pretty sick. The video. Huh? What are you gonna say?
Hello.
Now we're gonna go to Chinatown. Happy! Vivo? Vivo.
Vivo.
I chime in with the haven't you people ever heard of?
Now we're in Banana Republic. Now we're headed to Chinatown.
Everything is not
Come on, big Greg.
what it seems.
Good morning. Check out the view. Now we're gonna go get breakfast. Yeet. Now we're in the elevator. We got so much space. Okay, sorry, that was really obnoxious. Now we're going to Starbucks. Okay, bye. Nina, what did we just order?
Chocolate bacon.
Look at this tiny, tiny garage.
That's like not really okay.
Yeah, I think we should complain.
So now we're walking back to our hotel and we're gonna leave soon. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Me and Papa.
Hi, guys.
This is a big old bridge. Come on!
Historic Pescadero.
Pescadero, man. This place is beautiful. Oh, look at those rockadories. Hey. We went to Arby's. My battery's dying. The vlog is not gonna be fun anymore because we're just going home. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next one.
Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah.